Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this big block 454 automatic 71 Chevrolet Chevelle Hugger Orange, white vinyl top, black buckets, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, 12-bolt posi rear end, and it snaps your neck, guys. Listen to this thing. Nice body on the outside, not perfect, okay? So please look at all the photos. SS door panels, bucket seats, console, upgraded gauges. As you can see there, nice dash, triple gauge package, and it sounds good. All right, so we're gonna go for a little ride here. It does have tilt wheel as well. Turn signals function, gauges are functioning, heat works. Radio does not function. You'll have to I mean, there is one, but it's probably looks like an older one, about 10 years old. Car drives well. In the back there in the package tray, it's got it's a custom fabricated speaker box setup for 6x9s. You got an added rear brake light for safety in the back. Brakes feel good. Upgraded SS wooden steering wheel. There's something in the trunk there. Sitting on torque thrust wheels. BFGoodrich Radial GT tires. Dual exhaust sounds great. Car runs good, a lot of power. The cowl induction on the hood does not function at the moment, so you'll have to get that working if you wanted it to work. It does have the stock, well, not like the stock SS hood pins on it. It goes down the road smooth, it brakes nice. It's got good curb appeal for sure. We do finance. Check us out at MGMClassicCars.com. That's where you can able to find the credit application. You will need 10% down. And for those of you who also need delivery as well, you can text me to 847-848-1850. And I can get you a transportation quote. All I will need is your zip code. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. MGMClassicCars.com. Enjoy your day.